Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to transfer money from Binance to GCash. To transfer money from Binance to GCash, all you have to do is follow these steps. First of all, adding your GCash account details. Open and log in to your Binance mobile app. On the top left, find the human icon and tap on it. Scroll down until you find the payment method option. Then select P2P payment method and tap on it. Add your GCash account as the now payment method. After that, you have to transfer balance from Spot Wallet to funding, for which you have to go to your Spot Wallet tab and convert your balances into USDT. On your Spot Wallet, tap the transfer button. Click max if you want to transfer all your balance or type it in manually. Refresh your Binance app and confirm that the transfer was successful. The third step is to trade on Binance P2P Marketplace. Go to your Binance app homepage and tap P2P Trading. On the top right, make sure to select PHP currency and tap the sell option. Under the sell option, select USDT, then tap on payment method and choose cash. On the next page, you need to fill out the USDT amount in the enter quantity box. Select payment method and finally, hit the button that says Sell with zero fee, just for the seller to transfer the total amount of the trade to your GCash account. Once you receive the payment, click Transfer to release your USDT to your buyer. Binance will send you a one-time passcode. Just fill it out and confirm. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.